Got another. Whoa, hello. Yeah, hard telling with the spot. I got another 14-incher back there, but
Okay.
this one pulls a little heavier. Come on. Maybe I got a big turtle.
Maybe.
That's about what I need for the day, huh?
Round out the mix there.
Yeah. A killer bluegill. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You wanted to take drag that time. You can be a champ or you can be a chump. Come on, Bubba. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Oh!
Look at him.
Maybe big catfish. I've caught those out here before.
I believe it.
Oh. No, 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 no. Come here, you. That's a big spot. That's a real big spot. Oof. Oh!
Look at that.
Son of a gun. So, can I interest you in flicker shad?